Are you someone who always compare themselves with other people in their known circles in terms of money, wealth, status, intelligence, etc., etc.? If yes, this video is for you. Everyone is unique in this world. Everyone is undergoing their own challenges, their own problems. Some are seen, some are unseen. Please note that you cannot find two persons identical 100% in the past, in the present, or in the future. This is the 100% guaranteed gift given to us by this universe. As you must be already knowing, we have fingerprint technology as unique verification process to establish our unique identity anywhere on this planet. This is possible only because we are non-identical and unique in this universe. Nowadays, almost all smartphone manufacturers have already adopted and implemented the fingerprint technology as password protection technique or security mechanism in their smartphone. So you are unique creation of this universe and a gift from this universe. Please do not compare yourselves with other people. If you do so, it's nothing but a waste of your precious time and energy. The moment you start comparing yourselves with others, you will mostly start reducing your energy. That's not going to help you anyways. When you compare yourselves with others, you may feel low inside, and also you may be feeling bad about yourselves. Also, it may become a stopping block of your progress and growth. So please do not compare yourselves with others. Instead, you can compare your performance with yourself. By doing so, you can learn fast and speed up your growth and success. Thank you for watching this video. Wishing you all the best.